With Doubtnut, get instant video solutions to all your maths, physics, chemistry, and biology doubts. Just click the image of the question, crop the question, and get instant video solution. Download Doubtnut app today.
Hello everyone. So let's see this question. In this question it is given that when a vapor at atmosphere pressure was gradually heated from 25 degrees centigrade, its color was found to deepen at first, means there was a darkness in color, and then to fade as the temperature was raised above 160 degrees centigrade. Means when the temperature was raised above 160 degrees centigrade, it started fading away. At 600 degrees centigrade, the vapor was almost colorless. So when you increase the temperature up to 600 degrees centigrade, the vapor was almost colorless, but its color deepened when the pressure was raised at this temperature. Means if at temperature 600 degrees centigrade, if the pressure was raised, then again, since it has become colorless at 600 degrees centigrade, but if the pressure was raised, then what will happen? Again, it starts regaining its color. So this is what the whole thing we are talking about. So let's see first of all what should be this vapor. So when we talk about a vapor which is getting deepened first in color, so there must be some formation of compound which is making it deep in color from 25 degrees centigrade towards 160 degrees centigrade, right? So let's see first of all that what should be the vapor. So by checking the options, what is given to us in the option, we can see that nitrogen dioxide, we have bromine. So bromine vapor, if you take bromine vapor, already it is having some color at first, right? So when you increase the temperature, it's not like that in bromine vapor it will deepen and then it will fade away, because it's already having some color. Bromine vapors, brown colors. So what is important here, actually the vapor which we can think of from here is dinitrogen tetroxide. This is a question from inorganic chemistry. When you take dinitrogen tetroxide, and it's very important temperature is 160 degrees centigrade. So when you take it at 160 degrees centigrade, what happens is this dinitrogen tetroxide gets converted into NO2 gas, and this gas is brown in color, right? So this is what it gets deepened, means it gets deepened first around at 160 degrees centigrade because of the formation of nitrogen dioxide gas, right? But now what happens if you further increase the temperature to around 600 degrees centigrade? Then what will happen? This will further give you the product as 2NO plus O2. So you have oxygen and you have nitrogen oxide, right? Now this is colorless substance. We all know this oxide is colorless in nature. So this is colorless, right? So you can see very well when the temperature was increased towards 600 degrees centigrade, nitrogen dioxide got converted into nitrogen oxide. That is here it is colorless. Now the vapor was almost colorless, but its color deepened when the pressure was raised at this temperature. What does it mean? That the color of this was again deepened if pressure is increased, right? Let's write down. If pressure is increased, at 600 degrees centigrade, if pressure is increased at 600 degrees centigrade, what will happen? According to we all know Le Chatelier's principle. According to Le Chatelier's principle, the reaction will move in backward direction. The reaction will proceed in backward direction, right? If you increase the pressure, the reaction will proceed in backward direction according to Le Chatelier's principle. Why it is proceeding in backward direction? Because in backward direction, because when you see in the product side, you have three number of moles of gaseous product, right? Here you can see in product side the number of moles of gaseous product is number of moles of gaseous product, if you will say, in product side is 3, and towards reactant side number of moles of gaseous reactants, if you will see, then towards reactant side it is how much? It is 2. So definitely if you increase pressure, if pressure is increased, then definitely what will happen? The number of moles will try to decrease, number of moles of gaseous substance will try to decrease, right? If the pressure is increased, the number of moles of gaseous substance will try to decrease, and hence you can say the reaction will be like this: 2NO plus O2 giving you 2NO2, right? So the reaction will proceed in this way. So you can get regains color, right? The regains color. So here is what is said, that when the but colors deepen when the pressure was raised at this temperature. So this is how you can see that the whole theory is suggesting that N2O4, or you can say dinitrogen tetroxide is the correct answer, right? Is the answer to the given question, because N2O4 gives the entire description of what is asked in the question. Bromine cannot happen, right? A mixture of nitrogen dioxide, already it will be, nitrogen dioxide is already having a brown color, so it's not like it will fade away. Then pure nitrogen dioxide, definitely not. So finally you have pure dinitrogen tetroxide. So we can say it's option D is correct, right? I hope you have understood. Thank you very much.
For class 6 to 12, IIT JEE and NEET level. Trusted by more than 5 crore students. Download Doubtnut app today.